Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix if your TikTok account has been hacked or how to get it back. So we have to head over to your TikTok. So head over to your profile and go to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy, go to account and go to password. And here change your password. And the second thing you can do is link your phone number. So you have to go to your account and then go to account information and link your phone number. So this is the second one, and third one is remove the suspicious devices. So to do that, you have to go to security and permissions, and here go to manage devices, and here you will find the devices or review the devices listed. So from here, remove the unwanted or suspicious devices. So yeah, this is how you can just fix this problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.